Preparing tools: hot air dryer, Allen wrench, cross screwdriver, U-shaped shear, new Whale4 Ultra limit switch. Operation process: Step 1. Turn off the power switch and unplug the power cord. Step 2. Use a hot air dryer to heat the acrylic panel. Note, if you don't have a hot air dryer, a hairdryer can be used as a substitute. Step 3. Insert a U-shaped shear along the lower right corner edge of the acrylic panel, then slowly pry up the panel and remove it. Step 4. Use an Allen wrench to remove the 6 screws securing the metal panel, and gently remove and lay the metal panel flat. Note, be careful when removing the metal panel not to pull off the connection wires on the back. Step 5. After removing the red adhesive securing the limit switch, pull upwards to disconnect the limit switch cable. Note, when removing the upper and lower limit switch cables, press the latch before pulling out. Step 6. Remove the metal back cover of the machine. Step 7. Remove the lead screw cover from the machine. Step 8. Remove and take out the old limit switch. Step 9. Insert the new limit switch cable into the hole and connect it to the corresponding port on the motherboard. Note, make sure the limit switch is inserted into the correct port. Step 10. After installing the metal plate, first secure the screw in the middle position. Note, be careful not to press down on the ribbon cables when installing the metal plate. Machine test. Step 1. Connect the power supply and power on the machine for testing. Step 2. Click on Tools, Platform Setting, Reset, Lift to test if the motor functions and limit switches are working properly. Step 3. Click on Screen Testing. Click Testing to check if the screen is properly exposed and displaying the image. When the printing screen displays NOVA3D screen test without any flickering, it indicates the screen replacement was successful. On the contrary, if there are abnormalities, power off the device and recheck the cable connections. Step 4. After the test is complete, tighten the remaining screws securing the metal panel and align the acrylic panel with the touchscreen and switch position, then glue it in place. Step 5. Install the lead screw cover and the metal back cover of the machine. After completing all the steps, the limit switch replacement is finished.